All right, betters, I have three, count them, three UFO videos we are going to be taking a look at today. All very interesting, all making the rounds online, and all of them getting a lot of attention. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on with these videos, or will they remain unidentified? Here we go. First video, here's some details on it. This is provided by Ashton Forbes. It was originally posted on Reddit. It was actually multiple videos, and this little clip that I'm going to show you is them stitched together. You'll see the different ones. And it's basically was on a flight to Newark, right, down there in where all these drone sightings are happening as well, right? So, I don't know. What do you think? Here's the video. Now, something that's kind of interesting about all of this is after it was posted, especially on Reddit, a lot of people got to work in the comments and started looking up flight radar and all these things and the sun and the moon, you know, star alignment, you know, everything. I'm talking people did some deep dives on this video, y'all. I will include a link in the description so you can go follow up. But basically the gist is they are saying this is just other planes in the sky, just other planes. And some of the details were wrong about the time that the gentleman was saying that it was, but it was corrected. So again, that's honestly the most leading theory by thousands, okay, saying that. So, and this is coming on UFOs, you know, subreddit, where people are very keen to believe, right? But at the same time, you know, we got to figure out what's going on. And yeah, that's the conclusion. And I get, you know, after seeing all of it myself, all the evidence, I honestly, you know, lean towards that. I think it's planes as well. Now, that's not 100% definitive, right? You can decide for yourself. But if you do a little diving, a little deep diving, that's the conclusion that, and a lot of people put in, you know, hours and hours of work into it. So, you know, based on what I saw, it did seem like planes. So let's move on to the second video. A helicopter was seen today chasing two UAP orbs in Riverview, Florida. Apparently someone was outside at work and saw this. Video was short because they went to go grab a coworker for proof. Looks like a chopper following two orbs/lights. They heard absolutely no sound coming from the two small circle lights. All right, well, let's see this video. I guess one thing off the bat is, how do you know that you can't hear the lights? Or, the guy saying in the original comment, right, he's saying he can't hear the lights, the small orbs, right? But he can hear the other helicopter, and you can clearly tell from the sound in that video that there's a helicopter, right? But how do you know you're not hearing anything from the other two objects, right? Kind of interesting. Right. Now, someone posted an explanation that thousands of people seem to agree with. And let me post it right here. Retired Blackhawk instructor pilot here. That's a formation of hawks, 100%. It's very evident from just the sound in the video. They're flying NVGs, certainly. And the two forward aircraft have their anti-collision lights off with their landing lights on. This isn't an uncommon way to fly in formation, as the anti-collision flashing is very annoying, borderline disorienting, to have in your immediate view as a trailing aircraft. The MVGs actually turn off momentarily when they sense the bright red flash. This happens every couple of seconds, and more with multiple aircraft in front of you flashing at different intervals. Sorry to disappoint, folks. With that said, I'm a current major airline pilot and have seen things that can't be explained with our current understanding of physics. And when he says hawks at the beginning, he means Blackhawks. He doesn't mean actual birds, right? I don't know. We always say we're supposed to trust pilots, right? This pilot's saying this. I don't know. Again, so many other pilots jumped in to agree with him, mind you. Right. And I have to say, I don't know for sure, but this seems like a reasonable explanation for that video. Right. I don't know. What do you think? I'm going to play it one more time before we go to the next video. All right, now let's move on to the next video. Now, this one was posted by Joe Rogan on his Instagram, where it gained millions of views, and moved over to Twitter, where it also gained traction, and of course on Reddit as well, and across Facebook, just everywhere, to be honest with you. And purportedly, this was taken on April 12th, 2024 in Arizona, right? So let me play the video for you, and then I've got a few interesting details about it.
It's a plane. It's a plane with the lights.
No, it's not.
No, it ain't.
No, it's not.
Plane.
Oh,
there's
no clouds. Shh. Quiet.
That's a UFO,
look at it.
dude.
Look at it on the camera. It's like a dome.
That's a UFO.
Quiet.
What the fuck? Like literally,
Look
dude,
at that
that's
thing.
weird in the sky right there.
Dude,
Are we watching a comet or shooting star falling?
No, that's not moving quick enough. There's no tail. That's a UFO.
There's no blue or red
Look,
lights.
something's coming off.
What the fuck?
Whoa, bro.
Coming
I've
right
never seen
here.
anything like that.
It's kind of like an aura coming off.
I've never seen anything like it.
I got my video on it too. Y'all are gonna video this shit.
What the fuck is that?
Dude, this is nuts.
Look at the glow around it.
Look how the light's going off in two sides,
look,
though.
look, it's moving. Look at the lights are moving around it. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
It's hovering.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I see that.
Look, it's going up. It's taking off. No fucking way.
What the?
What the fuck? It just went out to space.
What?
It just went out to
fuck was
space.
that?
What the
It just
fuck?
went out to
What
space.
the fuck?
Holy
Oh my
shit.
god.
Hey guys, Vandenberg could have
Hey,
launched something.
as you were saying,
that could have been
as you were
Vandenberg.
saying, no,
no.
no alien.
that
No, no
could've been a
fucking
rocket.
way.
Bro, that thing
No.
just fucking disappeared.
Now, I will admit at first it's like, okay, what is happening here? And those guys are going absolutely bonkers in the video, right? Kind of fighting over what it is, right? But someone on Twitter decided to make another post about it. And this is what they said. I just saw this video posted by Joe Rogan a few minutes ago on Insta. It's a couple guys freaking out about this UFO. Pretty cool video. Except I caught the exact same thing. See my video and explanation in the reply. Other platforms desperately need community notes. So basically he's calling out Instagram for not having community notes because as he'll point out, he thinks it's a Falcon 9 second stage rocket video, right? The second stage of this rocket going up on April 12th out of Cape Canaveral, which was, I looked into that. That is true. That happened, right? And he's saying it's basically this Falcon 9 second stage, right? And he took a video as well the exact same evening, right? And pretty much got the same video. Take a look. Now, just for good measure, here's another video that I found online from the same evening. It's a little bit different because it's from a security cam of a house, like a Ring doorbell camera or whatever, but taken in Arizona, where the original video was taken as well. And you can even see the moon in the video, just like the original video, because in the original video I showed there's two lights, right? One that disappears and the other big ball light in the middle. That's literally just the moon. Right. So in this Ring camera footage taken the same night, you can see basically the same effect just from a different angle. Right. You see the moon and then you see the second stage rocket. Now, they launch hundreds of rockets a year. Right. And so this kind of stuff is happening all the time, to be honest with you. Right. And you can look up websites and find out, you know, all this information and look it up and track it and this and that. It's just like airplanes. You can literally find out where they are and radar track and like pinpoint exactly. So here's that secondary video, just kind of help back up this claim. All right, y'all. So look, you know, doesn't mean all of this is definitive, but I think it's leans towards probably, right, that these are explained, right? Especially when you have professionals piping in and hundreds, if not thousands of other professionals agreeing, right? If we're supposed to believe pilots, which way do we believe him, right? Especially you have a pilot who's like, I've seen things, but I'm just telling you, those are choppers, right? Or, hey, that's just a Falcon rocket that we see all year round, right? Especially when you have people that have the same videos, right? Or just planes, filming planes outside of another plane, right? And people being able to find all of that on radar track. And I dug into that, right? I made sure that that was all right. And it was. You could track it all. It's all there. All the lights match up from that first original video, right? So, but again, make up your own mind. At the end of the day, go look into it for yourself if you want to confirm some of that. But those are some of the findings, right? So, I don't know, right? You tell me. There's a lot of other videos out there and, to look at, and maybe we'll cover some more during the week here. But either way, hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.